Clemson's construction science and management program is the best in the state.
I'd heard great things about the construction program and decided that was what I wanted to do.
I just find it fascinating to build things from the ground up. It's a really cool process to look at.
CSM was just a very clear next step for me in my journey to someday become maybe a superintendent.
I would say that the partnership between CSM and Blanchard is truly game-changing. Having students be able to train in the equipment provided by Blanchard truly helps students become more prepared for the industry that they're set to go into.
When I think of Blanchard, I picture their Columbia office. Growing up, driving past it, I always thought it was cool to see the big tractors, bulldozers, excavators.
One word that I would use to describe them is cohesive, just because it does bridge that gap between school and the workforce.
Industry leaders that invest into students understand that nurturing the younger generation is also nurturing the future leaders that will lead the industry.